Hi everyone, in this lecture I will teach you that how you can calculate efficiency of your designed antenna. So in the previous lecture we designed an antenna, we optimized its parameter. Now I will show you that what is its efficiency. So we will go to the 1D results, and in the 1D results here we have a folder which is called efficiencies. I will open it and you can see we have some results here. I will put an axis marker here. So as I have previously set the axis marker at 13 GHz, so it is already at 13 GHz, so I don't need to change it. Now you can see that the radiation efficiency is minus 1.1280523 and its total efficiency is minus 1.1630336. If I show it you in the dBm, you can see it, the value has changed. Radiation efficiency is 28.87 and total efficiency is 28.83. Now you can see that these radiation efficiencies and total efficiencies have been shown in the dBm. If I show you in a linear in percentage, now you can see that within the percentage the radiation efficiency is 0.77, or we can say it's 77.1%, and the total efficiency is 76.5%. So in this lecture I have shown you that how you can find the efficiency of your designed antenna which you have optimized for the desired operating frequency.